这里是2019年国际餐饮设备展销会，美国奥兰多会场。Let's go。
Hello everyone, I'm glad to show you our ice machine. We have different ice machine. We have the cube, bullet, flake, granular, and crescent ice machine. Different ice machine can be used into different places. It can be used in the restaurant, bar, hotel, kitchen equipment, and flake. This is the big one. This machine have two parts. The ice machine head, the ice machine bin. This is the flake. It's very easy to clean it. Yeah, it's the air filter. You can see. It's very easy for clean. I show you the real ice or flake ice here. It's used more in the seafood or supermarket. This is our cube ice machine. Yeah, this is 500 pounds. It's most popular on the market. Yeah, it's the cube. Used more in the hotel or restaurant. This model we have the ETL and NGS star certification. It have the LED light. It's very popular in the kitchen equipment. I'm glad to introduce our control panel. Our control panel is multifunctional. You can adjust the eye thickness by the button directly, reduce and plus the eye thickness. Once the machine makes some problem, that will show you by the 4 code, remind you to check it. And our water filter is very easy for install. You can change it very easy. And the air filter you can change by hand. Yeah. Our machine's warranty is 3 years. Welcome to join us and see what ice can do. Thank you.